guys, it is Maddox Haunts, and today we have our new, for Spirit Halloween 2024, Cotton Candy Dan. Okay, so let's unbox this guy. So I just got this guy less than 2 hours ago, and I'll tell you, this guy is probably one of my favorite clowns from Spirit Halloween this year, I'd have to say. This guy ties with my Lowe's balancing clown. They're one of my two favorite, and my Art the Clown for sure. But I just love this guy so much, I couldn't say no to not get him. But yeah, so let's see what we got. So first up we have a box taped with instructions. We have his instructions, full colored instructions with his adapter. And then we have a box full of probably poles or something. It's pretty heavy. So we have all that right there. Next up, oh wow, we have kind of all of it right here. Oh, I see his head. Here's his pants with the built-in hip loop, which I already really like. So there's his pants. Yeah, next up we have this part is his, I don't even know what this is called, kind of hip piece that goes onto his chest right there with all the wires. Normal adapter, normal control box. Pretty cool. This guy isn't that, didn't seem like he was that many steps. We'll have to see though. Here's one of his sticks for his stick of cotton candy right there. Yeah, and here he is right here, basically. I think this is really it. Oh no, we still have the bucket and all that. What am I saying? Let me get this kind of sort of out of here. So let's see what we got. So we got Cotton Candy Dan right here. I think he looks like he's, no he's not. I guess he's just, oh yeah. He's clearly with these twisty ties. I hate these twisty ties so much. Let's see if we can do this really quickly here. Usually take a minute. Oh, but that was pretty easy. Okay, it wasn't in there really good. It's perfect. Okay, let's kick Cotton Candy Dan out. So here is Cotton Candy Dan. Let me move this over here. Let's get Cotton Candy Dan. So let's get a close up. Let's take the bag off of his head. I love this guy's face sculpt too. I really like everything about him. I love the color scheme. I will be customizing this guy. If you guys didn't know, I think I made a community post or not. I don't know if I did or not. I customized Shirley Stab. It's on my Instagram, link in the description. Here is his head right there. Let's throw up his hair a little bit. His hair's like yarn. It's kind of crazy, but there he is, Cotton Candy Dan right there. His nice outfit and his hands. Where's his hands? Right here. Pretty big hands. But I will be customizing his outfit because I just don't like this. I like the color, don't get me wrong, but I just would rather have it dirty than bloody and dirty instead of just a normal clean look. I think it'll look better. Next up we have his shoes. One shoe right there. Another shoe right there. See what else we got. We got the head, Jim, that's in the bucket. If you guys didn't know, this guy's name is Jim. It's in the description. But yeah, so they're both heads are plastic. I thought this guy would be latex. I thought this was latex in someone's video, but it isn't. So there's his head right there. That's gonna be popping up when he pulls up the stick. So he's pretty cool. Cotton candy's nice. But yeah, so there's that. Let's see what else we got. I think we only have 2 more parts, if I'm not mistaken. Some plastic. Yep, here it is. It's this huge bucket. Oh, well, let me get this part out. Here is his base, right here. Right there. Let me unpackage or take off this plastic of this popcorn bucket. It looks like a popcorn bucket, but it's really not. It's a cotton candy bucket. So let's move this box out the way for a second so you guys can kind of see. So there's the color. It's pretty heavy. You can see the mechanism right down in there. It has the cotton candy on the sides. You can just pull it down a little bit. But yeah, what I will be doing in my circus theme this year, I will be having cotton candy spread out around the circus, which I think will be perfect. Haunt builds will be coming soon for sure with that. But yeah, so now without everything outside the box, now let's go straight to the setup. Here we go. Okay, so step one. First off, you're gonna wanna take the poles, labeled A to A, and they're the same one, so it doesn't matter. A to A on each side. Just like that. Then you're gonna slide the shoes down. Okay, you just have to push a little bit. So there's one. There's two. Okay, so you want to kind of have his feet outward so the bucket of cotton candy can go right there. Now what you're going to want to do is take your B poles. You're going to want to put these on, B to B, on each side. Doesn't matter, just like the same thing. And then you're going to want to take his pants. This wants to go down. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to grab his pants. Right here is red cool pants with the built-in hip loop. And it doesn't look if there's a front or back. I think it's the same thing. I'm just gonna put it this way. So let's just feed one down here. Feed the other one down here. But this guy's pretty easy to set up. The only part that's a little bit difficult is when we get to the bucket. But it's, other than that, I mean, it's not really difficult, it just takes a little bit of time. Okay, so you want to slide his pants down. Then you're going to take his C to C with the control box on it. Well, actually, I don't know if you guys can even see that, so we're going to move the camera up once we do that. Okay, so now let's attach it. So C to C. Now you're going to pull up his pants, and you're going to expose the hip loop, and you're just going to slide it right in these two prongs, just like that. Perfect. So you're gonna grab Cotton Candy Dan, and you want to get his main pole, wherever that is, right here. Grab this. I want to make sure his arms are over it. Don't make that mistake. You want to put it on here, and this guy isn't very tall. Well, I'm now just kind of realizing he looks taller, just like that. You hear it going. So then you're gonna pull down his shirt a little bit. Okay, so now what you're gonna wanna do is grab his huge bucket, and you wanna feed these wires out through the back of it. There's a little hole in the back of the bucket, and you're gonna wanna just pull those wires and put them there because you're gonna have to go up his pant leg to attach. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pull the cotter pin from the base right down here, and you're gonna have those two little pieces. You wanna save those. You're gonna put the bucket, and it's just gonna go, should go right, there should be a little slit for it. So the thing should go right there, pretty simple. You're gonna take your pins real quick and you're gonna put them back through that thing. So you don't have to do this. I mean, you can if you want to. It's just more stability so the thing stays down. You're gonna pull the pins from this side right here that are inside the back and forth mechanism. And then you're gonna put the stick right down in the middle. Okay, so once you grab this piece, Jim, I should say, you're gonna wanna slide it down right there. You wanna take back this pin and the cotter pin. You're gonna put it right through the hole. So this piece just stays. It should be in the up position. It shouldn't be in the reset position. If it is, just go ahead and activate them. But there it is. I mean, that's pretty good. It's not gonna need to be perfect. Last step, you're gonna wanna take his last little stick. Let's angle the camera up a little bit. And you're gonna wanna put in the G to G right here. Just like that. You're gonna put the cotton candy over so you can't really see that. Just like that. Then you wanna take it and attach it right here. It should go in. Just like that. Perfect. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna attach all the wires that are from the back of this bucket right here that I have in my hand, and we're gonna run it up through his leg, and we're gonna plug him in, and we'll go to the demo. So let's go straight to the demo. Here we go. Okay, I just flipped a switch. Oh, here we go.
Get your cotton candy here. We've added some new ingredients. I think you're gonna like it.
Oh, that is amazing. I love him so much. Let's get another one. Let's get a different sound.
Attention all kiddos! Attention all kiddos! I found a lost parent! He belongs to anyone here?
Okay, let's get one more, then we're gonna go to the nighttime demo. Let's get one more. Come on.
Better be careful walking around at this place. You can get in all kinds of sticky situations here.
Okay, let's go to his nighttime demo. Here we go. Okay, let's flip his switch. It's nighttime now. Here we go. Cotton Candy Dan.
Attention all kiddos! Attention all kiddos! I found a lost parent! He belongs to anyone here? Better be careful walking around at this place. You can get in all kinds of sticky situations here. Yum, yum. Sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's not. One thing I'll tell you though, it'll do more than rot your teeth out.
Okay, you guys, so there he is, Cotton Candy Dan. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a lot of fun putting this guy together. Some things I like about him for sure is his face. I love the one eye. I love the hair, it's very cool. The popcorn bucket, or not the popcorn bucket, I always want to call it that, but the cotton candy bucket is very, very cool as well. But yeah, I just really like this guy. It's probably my favorite animatronic probably from Spirit this year by far. I just love everything about him. I love the clothes. But I will be customizing this guy pretty soon. So I probably will post a community post or a YouTube short or maybe even a video on his after, or me possibly in the process of me customizing him. Leave me a comment down below if you guys would like to see a video on that or not. Yeah, please also leave me a comment down below if there's anything more you'd like to see on this channel, such as different unboxings, different setups, more videos of me putting it together, or anything else. Just drop me a comment. I'd greatly appreciate it. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.